UKG Pro is a comprehensive human capital management system designed to handle HR, payroll, and talent management. Here's how to get started. Log in. Access UKG Pro through your company's unique URL. Use the credentials provided by your HR department. Manage employee information. Navigate to the employee profile section to view or update personal and job-related information. Employees can update their own details, such as address or emergency contacts. Process payroll. For payroll managers, go to the payroll gateway to manage salaries, deductions, and taxes. Review payroll summaries, ensure accuracy, and submit payroll for processing. Time management. Track time using the time and attendance module. Employees can clock in or clock out, and managers can review and approve timesheets. Talent management. Use the performance management section to set goals, review employee performance, and provide feedback. Create training plans and track employee development. Reporting and analytics. Generate custom reports on workforce trends, attendance, and payroll through the reports module. Mobile access. Download the UKG Pro mobile app to access schedules, pay stubs, and notifications on the go.